Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling Wake on Crown Rotation on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap display and brightness. Scroll down to the Wake heading and tap the toggle to the right of Wake on Crown Rotation to turn it on and off. When the toggle is green, your watch will wake when the digital crown is rotated, and when the toggle is grey, it will not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.